Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome to a new vlog. This is officially the first vlog of this year. How you guys doing? It's been a while I spoke to you guys, so I decided to speak to you guys. How's your new year going? How was your Christmas? I hope you're having a swell time. But yeah, this is on to new things, the first vlog of the year. Yeah, we're starting the year right. And yeah, so today I'm going to be cleaning. My house is a mess. So we'll be cleaning together. We're going to go shopping together. I want to get some things. And yeah, I hope you guys had your New Year's going well. But yeah, this is officially the first vlog of this year. We're starting out strong, better. I'm going to give you guys videos back to back. And I also want to hear from you in the comment section what kind of videos you want me to film. And yeah, so this year we're starting out strong already, okay? So yeah, let's get into the video. And yeah, we'll be doing a lot of talking. Now, I want to start talking in my videos. So yeah, we're doing a lot of talking. And yeah, let's see how the new year goes. But yeah, I would like to hear from you guys in the comment section. How you spending your new year? What are your vision boards? What are you doing differently this year? What are your goals for this year? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Well, yeah, let's clean up together. Okay, bye. So, guys, I want to be doing some small renovation to my room. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Like, I recently got this um PJ set. I don't know if you can see it. I'll find a way to show like the full video of how it looks like. But yeah, I'm loving it. And yeah, so now let's clean up together. And I'm trying out new filming spots like this spot now. Isn't it given? Hmm? Isn't it given? But yeah, we're going to be cleaning up now. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay. Here. So guys, I'm done cleaning. You can tell. See, I'm sweating. Like it was a lot of work. But yeah, we're done. So the next thing I'll do is to go shopping. So you'll be coming shopping with me. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys like the full outfit of this. I got these PJs recently and I'm loving it. Like I love the color, how it suits my skin. Can you see how my skin is glowing? Like literally. So I've been telling you guys I've been on fruits. Like I take a lot of fruits. I take a lot of water. Like this morning now, I finished like a bottle of water. Like that's what has been helping like my skin. And yeah, and fruits. Let me just tell you fruits I take. I take pineapple, pawpaw, oranges, apples. So yeah, I always make sure a day at least I take one or bananas too. And I drink lots of water. And yeah, so we'll be going shopping together. Might just get one or two things, nothing serious. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. So let's go together. Wait, let me do a quick outfit check with you guys. Hi guys, so I'll be trying out this Vit cream. So I want to stop using shaving stick. I want to start using shaving creams. So I'll be using this Vit. I'm sure you've seen it. in my last video where I showed you guys buying this. So I want to use it today. And yeah, so we're going to be do that today because I noticed when I use shaving stick, I always have bumps. So now I'll start using shaving creams. So yeah, we're going to be doing it together. Let me just read some the steps there, like put the Vit cream on your legs. So I want to do it on my legs and my armpits. On my legs, then I like to leave it for like 55 minutes, and then you rinse it. So let's do it together. Let's see whether it actually works because I've never tried it before. So yeah, let's get into it.